Troubleshoot Slack login issues on mobile. Let's get started. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, give a fresh restart to your router and rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi, and in the case you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. Next, double-check your email address and password for accuracy. Ensure there are no extra spaces or errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forget Password to recover it. Make sure you are using the latest version of Slack app, as outdated versions can cause login issues. Launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Slack. After app appears, you'll see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Ensure that the workspace you are trying to log in into is still active and that your account has not been deactivated. Slack may send a verification email when logging into a new device. Check your inbox and spam folder for any verification messages. Reset network settings. If you are unable to log in, you might need to reset your network settings. So head towards the option of General, Reset Network Settings. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is try logging to your Slack account in the web version. Launch your preferred browser and head towards the website of Slack. Type in slack.com. Once you're on the login page, you can provide your credentials and log into your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any Slack login issues on your mobile device. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.